Hey, how's it going everyone? My name is Isaac and today I'm going to show you how you can get smoother autofocus tracking on your Canon EOS R. So there's three things that you'll need to get started. First, you'll need a computer, SD card, and if you're like me and have an Apple computer that doesn't have an SD card slot, a dongle. All right, let's get started. So first you're going to want to go to your browsing window. Once you're in your browsing window, go to this website. I'll leave that link down in the description. Once you're on this page, go to drivers and downloads, and it'll take you to this little spot where it says software, firmware, and utilities. Click on firmware. Once you're on this page, you're gonna choose whether you have a Mac or Windows, and then select for whichever computer you have. I have a Mac, so I'm gonna choose this one. So you'll have to click right here first, saying that you've read the terms and conditions. Once you've done that, click download. Once it goes into your download folder, open that up and open it. Once this window is open, you'll take this file right here and drag it onto your SD card. Mine is EOS Digital. And just drop it in. Once you've downloaded it into your SD card, you'll want to eject it. Now you'll want to toss your SD card into your camera. Once that's in, if you're on video mode, switch to picture. Now click the menu button. Once you're in the menu, go to settings on file number 6, go all the way down to firmware. And then you'll want to update for the camera. And then it says the current firmware version is 1.7 and we have 1.8 now. So click OK. And then it'll load up the file that you dropped into your SD card from your computer. Now it's showing the EOS R 0180 firmware update. So we'll press OK. It says update firmware from 1.7 to 1.8. OK. Now we'll wait for it to download.
One eternity later.
Now that the update's complete, press OK, and you're back into your camera. Now when you're taking pictures or videos, you should notice a pretty big difference in the autofocus tracking. Thank you for watching, guys. If this was a helpful video, please let me know down in the comments. Be sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel. I'll be posting more videos like this. And then if you have any other suggestions of other videos that I can make that are maybe a little bit helpful like this one, please let me know. And that's it. Thanks, guys. Bye.